So we got everything set up. As you can see, cots are everywhere, but if you also look with your eye bulbs on your screen, it's a bit messy in here. That's because, take a look outside, if I can get the door open, it is snowing. Alright, we're gonna be doing interviews right now. But quick reminder, guys, that this video is gonna be split up into 3 videos for 3 days. This is day 1. And then over here we have Vitaly, also known as my cousin, who just almost hit his foot. Also known as, excuse me, sir, what are you doing?
Ma'am.
Please state your name,
Ma'am,
age,
I'm making a fire.
social security number. I mean, you don't have to. You have to
Okay, my
name
social security number is...
Sir, what are you doing? I'm doing interviews.
Doing your mom.
That's what you get, you little turd. I don't know if you guys heard it or not, but when I asked what he's doing, he said a mean word about my mom. So this interview's over. Like, what a rude guy. Can't believe him. Ma'am, we're doing interviews. Please state your... Hey, turn around. Okay. Sir, please state your name and purpose on this trip.
Евгений Евгеньевич Волховский. Я сегодня приехал, чтобы порыбачить и почилить.
So basically, he just said his name, that he's gonna be
Roman's
fishing.
essentially saying he's trying to get...
Roman is not. Excuse me, sir. Do you mind stating your name and goals of this trip?
My name?
Yeah.
No, that's classified. I can't do
What
that.
is your purpose, or what are your goals of this trip?
The most fish possible.
Most fish possible.
I'll be pushing. I'll be like crashing into people and tackling them to take the fish. That's the goal.
Play out of Vitaly's book.
Yeah. Like the way Vitaly did it 2 years back.
Ooh. We're gonna be running to our next interview. Excuse me, you're driving off. Sir, a moment of your time. Sir, a moment of your time. Or shoot. What?
Get on.
Need a moment of your time.
What?
State your name and goals of this trip, please.
Why?
We're doing interviews. I'm doing interviews.
My name is Samuel, and my goal is to have fun and ride snowmobiles and flip 3 of them.
Okay, sir, I got a question for you.
What?
Look at me.
Нет, go дальше, все.
Alright, state your name and goals of this trip.
Goals of this trip is catching a fish, and my name's Steve.
Like a singular fish.
Or 5 fish.
Best say you're a pretty humble guy. Sam, do a flip! Dang, that was pretty cool. Alright, due to Jacques' request, I'll show you how the bait goes in the water.
You did it too late. Thing. You have to show putting the hook on, putting the fish bait on the hook, the thing in the thing, and the string in the thing.
Y'all take me back?
Yeah.
Never mind, it's not.
We need more help around here.
Okay.
Almost never.
Looks like we're getting firewood. I gotta get the POV.
Hey, cut it and I'll push it towards that.
Ой-ой-ой, don't go. Ой-ой-ой, don't go.
Fight! You gotta be kidding me, dude. You got that on video?
It broke nothing though. We're good. It landed right here on the cage. We're good.
Whose is this?
Ours.
Here we have Roman finally doing some work.
I was doing wood earlier, and I recorded as Stas and Dio pushed a tree onto our sewing machine.
Anyways, he's putting hooks onto these poles.
is
Yeah, and you won't tell me how many.
oh, the whole box.
The whole box.
You asked if I needed help, and
Yeah. Who do you think sent me here to help you?
it's called.
So hope you guys can see the fish I'm gonna pull out right now. Okay. That is good. One thing I love about this new GoPro is I can see there's a screen on the front. I can see the fish. I mean, I can see what I'm recording. Me. I don't think there's anything. Let's go. Oh ho ho! Dang, that's a good one. Holy cow. Dude. I'll show you guys this fish real quick. Holy cow, this is a nice pike. I don't know if he's fully in frame, back up. But dude, this is a nice pike. And let's go get the other one. Hopefully it doesn't spin too much. I'm not gonna kick him in the head, knock him out. So slippery, can't even run. Good, just sliding. Let's hope it's a big pike like that one. Because that one is huge. It's not the biggest, but it's not tiny. I need the screen to turn so you know what I'm recording. And back it up a little bit. Let's hope this one also has a big one. Not feeling anything, but we got a fish. Smaller one. Oh yeah. Pike. Not too sure how to hold them properly. Usually we just have pliers. This is the first time I ever recorded pike. This is the first time I recorded these kind of trips for pike fish. Fish. So we got pliers and stuff. I guess it's not too much smaller. I thought, I mean, dude, imagine this huge mouth would fit inside the other fish. Huge mouth. But yeah, some nice pike right here. It's a beautiful fish. It's not my biggest, but it's not my smallest. Pike can get pretty big. I was 2 seconds too late. That's big like mine. Dude, that's animal abuse. Off the fish shop. That pike like mine. I think that's probably bigger than mine. Sure. For sure bigger than mine. Not by a lot, though. I can give you that. Credit where it's due. Man, I pulled out all the line. I was about to pull the GoPro.
Еще за хвост вытащи. За рот. No, to...
So let's hope this one's bigger than our brother's, because he has this tradition of getting the second biggest fish almost every time. Okay, this took out all lines, so yeah. Oh, dang it. That sucks. But it's not all bad. I caught something. And it ate the bait. You see like a nice little shell, but it's broken up. Yeah, Moiva? What? Moiva? Yeah, I'm gonna get bait back on that. Sucks, no fish. But probably would have been a decent size one, because usually the small ones don't pull out the line all the way. So I'll see you guys. Maybe I want to get another fish or somebody else. So, because I'm just a gentleman, I'm going to let Sam pull this fish in. And I swear if it's going to be bigger than mine. Actually, I don't know what happens. Dude, that's absolutely massive! Yo, hold that up, hold that up. That's my thumbnail right there. Yo! Got another flag up. It'd be nice to get another fish before bed. Oh, dang. Ah. I felt him and he let go. What is this? Love this bait though. But yeah, he let go. I felt him. He just let go right away.
Here, guys, we got ourselves what we call in Russian kasha. There's pork belly in here. We got grains, potato, and sausage. And
Seasoning.
it is beautifully seasoned, I've got to say. Delicious.
Yeah, because my commentary is not worthy of this dish.
It's not worthy of your own channel.
This thing is fatter, but this thing's...
Man, I'm a big fish. First one's mine, then Zheka's, and then yours.
Classified persons.
Yeah. Sure. Oh, you can gut him right now?
No, we'll cut his gills out.
Dude, you ruined the fish. That's gonna be for my thumbnail.
I have the biggest fish.
Do you want to take a picture or no?
Tomorrow morning would be nice.
I'm try to not gut him right now.
The hook got stuck in his gills.
It's already late. It's too dark to film inside the tent because that's not bright enough. Yeah, and day one, going to bed. See you in the morning.